How to get Google Voice number outside the US. Google Voice is officially available only in the United States, but there are workarounds and business options that allow access from other countries. So first, go ahead and try using a VPN. So for this video, I will use Hola VPN to be able to connect my server to the US server to make it appear like I'm accessing Google from US. So I'll simply click on that from the shortcuts tab, and then from here activate it and make sure that you select United States. So your page will load, and then you'll be able to get redirected into the Google Voice website of Google Voice for the US. So as you can see, once I click on that, that took me here, but this pop on my screen since this account is actually created on my country. So make sure that your account is also created on US to be able to access Google Voice. So set your account location to United States during setup, and then get a US phone number. So you can use services like TextNow, Skype number, or US-based VoIP providers like Callcentric or VoIP.ms. So after that, you need to verify your US number. So use your virtual US number to verify your Google Voice account and then access Google Voice via Chrome or Windows. So Google Voice works best on Chrome OS, Mac OS, and Windows. And that is how you can basically get Google Voice number outside the US.